So hello viewers, myself representing Vishwesh. It's my second video in YouTube channel. Okay. In first video I told you I will show that CSS about CSS running. Okay. How to mix CSS in HTML. Okay. Let's learn it about. It will be very easy if you do it regularly. Okay. Okay. See, in first video I showed you about here in fifth line. If you consider fifth line, the code goes here. In first video, what I will show you a quick recap for you. Okay, just H1 and I clicked about tourism. In first video, let me take about I choose shopping. Okay, shopping, and for paragraph, it's P. Select the things you want to buy. Okay, and for button, it is button only. Okay, start shopping. Okay, we got the output. Now how to arrange this in a center? How to arrange this in a center? First we have to do a CSS file. Okay, let's create a CSS file. It's not very tough or very hard to learn. It's very easy. Okay, I'll just show you. Okay, dot and h center. Here h center is the horizontal center. Okay, full form is the horizontal center. Okay, and give a space, and you have to keep a flower bracket here. Okay, flower bracket, you have to keep a flower bracket. And next we have to arrange this in the middle. Okay, in center. For that here text aligan. Okay, text aligan, it's the property. Okay, text aligan is the property. This is the property in CSS rule. Okay, it's the property, and first we have to keep a colon. Okay, comma here comma is semicolon anamata. Okay, text aligan. Okay, where we want the image to be represented in the middle. So center. Okay, nothing but center. Okay, many of you ask me what is CSS full form. Okay, the CSS full form represents cascading style sheets. Okay, cascading style sheets. Okay, HTML here hypertext markup language. HTML and CSS are the two of the core technology for building web pages along with graphics and scripting. Okay, HTML and CSS are the basis of building web pages and web applications. Okay, HTML. First we created a CSS file, and then if we click on run, it won't come because we have to apply CSS file into the HTML. Okay, how to apply I will just show you. Let's remove the before one. I'll just copy it for easy. You have to remove it first of all. Okay, div. Okay, here div, it's a container. See, something in order to shift a house or ordering online materials, they come to home with the packing. Okay, like that only we have to pack the materials like shopping. These things are there. No, here is okay, shopping. Some of the things you want to buy, start shopping. This button, paragraph, heading, we have to pack in this. Okay, for packing we use a container name. It's div. For our understanding skills, I just leave it. Okay, H1 here heading. Okay, shopping. We have selected the topic shopping. I'll just type it on faster. Okay, paragraph. Select the things you want to buy. Okay, select the things you want to buy. Okay, for button, it's button only. button. Okay, start shopping. Okay, start shopping. Okay, and we have to close it again with plaster. You think so? Okay, Okay, see, for closing, a big mistake. See, for closing you have to use a front end slash here. Okay, div. Okay, here div represents to a container type thing. Okay, in order to pack these all materials, h1 heading and paragraph and button. Okay, we have made a css file here. Okay, now we have to apply the css file to the html file. How to apply, I will just show you. In the div first container, first starting. Okay, in div we have to give a space, and let me click on class. Here class is the attribute value, I mean it's an attribute class that is equal to. Okay, where do you want to be image these three things to be? In center, so horizontal center. To click for that horizontal center, if you want you can take anything, horizontal center, and let's close this. Okay, here one, I mean you have to give this highlighting thing. Okay, css we have created a file, and html2 we have applied the css file into html. Okay, let me click on play. Okay, you can see here, first of all they were this side, I mean the right left side. Now they have came to in the middle center. It's very easy trick. Okay, making a css file here with a dot and head center, horizontal center. It's the text diagram represents the property, center is the value. Okay, to flower brackets starting and ending. In html2 you have to create a same the things which you remember in the previous video. You have to keep these three things, and div represents the container. You have to keep a div starting and ending, and just give on. Okay, how to apply means class, it's nothing but the attribute value. Okay, class that is equal to h center, horizontal center. Okay, ending one, and let's close the container with the again div. For closing you have to remember one thing. Two things is the main is, first one is the css starting with the dot. Okay, if this dot is not there, there's nothing value for the css file you have created. Okay, for html you have to keep see while closing it. Okay, div front and slash is the more requirement. Okay, must and should be there. Okay, if you click on it can. Okay, in next video I will just show you, okay, how to keep styles of it, and apply colors. Shopping is there, no, it is representing in black. I'll just show you how to keep colors of it. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, thank you, please support me. Thank you.